Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC, or Diagnostic Trouble Code B0029-2B, indicates a specific fault related to the short to another wire harness in the right side curtain airbag's first inflator of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Airbags, including the curtain airbags, are critical safety components in a vehicle, designed to deploy during a crash to protect passengers. The SRS, Supplemental Restraint System, unit in the vehicle detects sensor data and abnormalities, including abnormal voltage readings on the detection line. When it determines a fault, it stores the corresponding DTC for troubleshooting. In this case, the issue is localized to the connection of the right side curtain airbag inflator, which requires thorough inspection and testing to identify the root cause of the malfunction. Furthermore, pre-diagnostic checks are crucial, especially if the vehicle has been involved in any collision that could have compromised the airbag system. The DTC B0029-2B indicates a short in the wire harness connected to the right side curtain airbag's first inflator. In this context, the right side curtain airbag is designed to deploy from the vehicle's roof area during a collision, protecting passengers from lateral impacts. The SRS unit is responsible for monitoring the voltage levels and ensuring they remain within normal operational parameters. If this unit detects a voltage higher than a specified threshold, it interprets this as an abnormal situation, triggering the storage of the DTC in the vehicle's memory. Understanding the DTC's implications is essential, as any instability in this circuit could potentially disable the airbag system, posing risks during accidents. This is why immediate troubleshooting is necessary to confirm the integrity of the components involved. Especially after any collision incidents, the potential causes for DTC B0029-2B can be summarized as issues with the wiring harness, a faulty SRS unit, improper installation of replacement parts following a collision, or collateral damage that occurred as a result of an accident. Wiring issues can manifest as shorts or breaks in the insulation, often caused by wear and tear or improper routing. If components like the SRS unit are buzzing or malfunctioning, they may also be a source of the problem. Ensuring that all parts are installed with correct part numbers and in accordance with manufacturer specifications helps mitigate the risk. Previous collisions may lead to unseen damage in the airbag system, emphasizing the importance of thorough inspection whenever such issues arise. Each potential cause requires careful examination to properly diagnose the code. Symptoms associated with DTC B0029-2B can include warning lights illuminating on the dashboard, primarily the SRS light, indicating a fault in the airbag system. Drivers may also notice a complete lack of response from the SRS when attempting to check its functionality, suggesting a grave issue within the system. In critical situations, such as an accident, the airbag deployment might fail, which poses significant safety concerns. It is crucial to be aware of these symptoms and address them immediately, as it could lead to dire consequences during driving. Understanding these signs can not only ensure vehicle safety, but also preempt costly repairs had the issue remained untreated. As the first step in troubleshooting DTC B0029-2B, start by turning the vehicle to the on mode. It is vital to allow the system to initialize, and waiting for up to 10 seconds ensures that all electronic systems, including the SRS unit, are properly powered and prepared for diagnostics. During this period, the SRS unit monitors crucial data integers, like voltage levels, and prepares for any internal checks. This step is essential, since skipping it could lead to inconsistent results in the subsequent troubleshooting steps. It also establishes a baseline for any readings taken. If vehicle components have not been powered on fully, the diagnostics might yield inaccurate results, leading to unnecessary troubleshooting. In this second troubleshooting step, it is essential to check for any additional diagnostic trouble codes stored in the system alongside B0029-2B. If other codes are present, they may indicate related failures or deeper systemic issues within the SRS. Specifically, if only DTC B0029-2B is indicated, it points to the floor wire harness as the root cause of the problem. Understanding the interconnected nature of the SRS components and their wires helps identify which part of the system necessitates fixing. This step is crucial in isolating the fault correctly and understanding if more extensive intervention is required based on the presence of other codes. The third step entails inspecting the floor wire harness for any signs of short-circuiting or physical damage. Given that the code indicates wiring issues, it's vital to closely examine the connections and insulation for any wear or fraying. Consider checking the wiring near areas most prone to physical stress or abrasion, like near the seat bases or thresholds, where movement can occur. If shorts are found, repairs or replacements should happen immediately. Utilize a multimeter for precise measurements when checking for resistance and continuity, as these tools can provide insight into hidden faults in the harness. Ensuring that these wires are in optimal condition is paramount to restoring the integrity of the airbag system. Next, it is important to inspect the connections leading to and from the SRS unit. This involves ensuring that all connectors and wires related to the airbag deployment mechanism are intact and correctly seated. Since the SRS unit plays a crucial role in monitoring the airbag system's functions, even minor connection issues can lead to significant malfunctions. Check for any corrosion, loose connectors, or burnt pins that may affect voltage transmission. All installations should comply with factory specifications. Incorrect installation could trigger DTC B0029-2B. This detailed inspection step helps isolate the root cause of errors in the vehicle's airbag deployment system, reducing the risk of failures. After conducting the inspections and completing necessary repairs, the final verification involves clearing any DTCs from the system and retesting the airbag functionality. This is a critical step to ensure that all issues related to DTC B0029-2B are addressed. After clearing codes via the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, perform additional tests to ensure that the airbag system operates as expected. It's also advisable to check if any new codes appear after the repairs. Validating the airbag deployment under controlled conditions is essential for confirming the integrity and proper function of the SRS. By completing this step, you can ensure that the vehicle is returned to consumers in a fully safe and functional condition. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoiding future occurrences of DTC B0029-2B and ensuring the SRS performance remains optimal. Regular inspections should include checking the integrity of all wiring connected to the airbag system. It's advisable to periodically inspect the floor harness, particularly in high-stress areas, to avoid issues caused by daily wear. Ensure that all connections are secure and free from corrosion. Furthermore, if the vehicle has been involved in any minor incidents, conduct a thorough inspection to assess any hidden damage. By making preventive checks a regular part of vehicle maintenance, you can significantly reduce the chances of troubling codes appearing and ensure passenger safety. In conclusion, diagnosing and troubleshooting DTC B0029-2B is essential for maintaining the safety systems of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding the error code's relevance ensures swift action can be taken to inspect and address wiring harness issues related to the airbag system. Each component, particularly the SRS unit and the wiring, plays a vital role in ensuring that the airbag system functions correctly in an accident. Prioritizing passenger safety by meticulously inspecting and maintaining these systems is crucial. Utilizing the prescribed troubleshooting steps enables thorough corrective action, thereby fostering a safe driving environment. Always remember that airbag systems are sensitive and vital, and addressing their concerns promptly can save lives. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.